Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra and let me share with you how to soft reset or how to force restart your device. So this operation will be useful for you if for some reason your device freezed and you cannot control it, it do not respond to any commands or the screen is freezed. And all you have to do in order to force a restart your device is to press the power button, which is right here, and volume down button together and wait until you see the black screen. And after this operation, the device should get back to its normal state and start to respond. So let me try to do it. Let me press the volume, the power button and volume down button together, just like I've explained. So let me press both of them. Just ignore the fact that you made the screenshot, just keep pressing it, and as you can see we've got the black screen. So right now I can release the buttons. It will take a while, but after a few seconds we will be able to see the developer's logo, which will appear right here, and after a time of course the device will be restarted, it will be turned on and it should probably get back to its normal state. So actually this is it. This is how to soft reset or force a restart to your Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.